My name is Saad Aziz, and this is my garden. I started the year of we got a COVID pandemic. We were not allowed to go outside that much and communicate with people. So I started that project then, and it was very successful experience. Yes, that's a good question. So I read on Google, in fact, and YouTube. I already had experience with summer vegetables, but also Google and YouTube increased my experience. The first year, I remember I bought the plants from Home Depot and Lowe's. Also, I read about the dirt and the fertilizer things, and this is how it started. Because the summer vegetables is well known, like tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, so and cucumbers, and I already know our demand about these things. It is also Middle Eastern, our culture, cuisine, exactly. It's helped me, yeah, because it is like outside workout and also clear my mind and thinking, communicating with the nature, awareness about the environment itself, and use resources from the nature to make also natural fertilizers. The mosquitoes is my enemy here. They're fighting me. They want to kick me out of the plants. I bought this net. Yeah, and that helped me a lot, protect me from the mosquitoes bites, which is dangerous one. Yeah. Watering the plants like every other 2 days or so, because a lot of water is not good for them. Also, I prefer the rain. The rain is very useful for them. I made also a resource, like a barrel that collects the rain water. If you want to plant inside your house, in the basement or so, start February and March also, yeah, to start to clean the field from the bad plants. And you start to plant for the season at the end of the last freezing day, yeah, after Memorial Day. Otherwise, they might freezing. Also, I have experience to plant myself, to seeding rather than buying the expensive one from the markets in general. I did that in the basement. I bought a light. I use the LED fluorescent light that is specific for starting the plants until the time when I have to put them outside. Some of the plants, they like the green beans, the beans of the last year stays in the ground and flourishing the next year. In fact, the garlic, I planted them in November. The ground is still warm, so it stays through the winter and starts to grow at the spring. I harvest them at July. Yeah. It was very good experience.